If you no like cooking, wetin you go like? Because you got to cook what you know and what you like. You get to cook am. No dey be stingy of yourself. Some girls they no know how to cook. Make I no lie una. And they no wan learn. They no wan learn. Someone dey for abroad, you no go even know how to even turn this vegetable wey I dey do like this. You no fit tell me say you comot this side, the side work comot for Cameroon. Your mother no teach you. And when your mother dey teach you, you know dey wan come learn because your mother go dey pay you. Go say my only daughter, my only son. I don't want him to come in the kitchen. I don't want. But there are some women. They say, Oga, man pikin, Ale, can she down for your pound fufu? Ale, woman, can she down for your check how they cook this vegetable? How are they put them? Okay, today now you go cook. May we watch am. What you go cook? Now so they learn am. Now so you go slice vegetable. Now so they go teach you how to do this one. Now so they go teach you how to porridge plantain. They go teach you how to do everything. And because you want know, you go there for your mama in corner kitchen. You know go dey waka waka. The other one, then they go wear clothes. They go dress well because na mommy's daughter. Then you where you stay for their house, you go there like slave for them for they cook. Now you go be house girl. And that house girl today, now it dey better position because a man wey go marry them. Even a girl wey dey wash only pan inside the house, cleaning house, wey need dey cook for the house. Na good Samaritan man wey know, wey get fear of God, man wey know wetin wey want. Now he go for that woman. No woman, no girl, wey suffer for life, e no get better thing. But those ones them, someone then get better life, like say God bless them, they marry the man. But the man they suffer because they no get who they cook for them. Now themselves wey they learn for their own mother, like the husband, then they go cook for the house. So what are they talk now? Say go for internet if you never they learn. This one na Okonghobo. Watch my videos and see how wetin I put, how I cook am, how I put am. Even if you like, if you want put crayfish before fish, as me I put my own. Nah, fish before crayfish. Before I don't fair put oil before they put crayfish, put fish. If you want turn am the other way, the only thing now, only watch this video and share am and then learn. It go better for you. See as I dey add oil because I think say the oil no be enough for the vegetable because this vegetable get to carry oil for body. Quinta wine, now so the wine get the winey body. Now my plantain that they boil on a double iron. If double iron equals to ionism, we need them. Women, as you see, we need it. Men, we need. You need to iron. You need to chop correct vegetable.